Sarap tol. Tapos nasa dagat ka. Oh. Dito mo yung dagat. Tapos nagbe-breakfast kang ganyan. The best. Good morning! So nandito kami ngayon sa Nalu. Club Nalu. How do you like it? Good morning. Ito kami sa Club Nalu La Union. And ganda dito. Grabe. Ganda dito. Ang laki ng mirrors nila. Ang ganda ng kama nila.
Oh my God.
They have a very, very nice bed. Tapos tinan mo naman to. Oh. Overlooking the Pacific Ocean. Mamaya papakita namin siya. Hindi ba Pacific Ocean yan? They have a very big TV. They have a very big mirror again here. Pasensya na po kayo sa mga kalat po namin. And, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung CR. Yung CR. Ito yung CR nila. Yung CR nila, ganda ng CR nila. They have a very, very nice CR. Tapos, hindi nila tinipid guys yung towels. Ang dami. If I'm gonna count their towels, ang dami nilang towels. They have a very, very nice hotel. Hot and cold shower. CR, it's more than what you need. Ito pa favorite namin. Tol, meron kang Nespresso. Meron ka pang 4 na pods. Complimentary. And complimentary na pods. Sabi ba yun? That's what you call hospitality. Hindi ko alam kung dapat standard ba yun kasi first time namin check-in sa isang hotel tapos merong Nespresso. So, amazing. So, may iba pa? Ano? May iba pa mga hotels na go-offer like that. So, pupunta kami ngayon. Mag-breakfast na kami kasi 8:30 na. Kahit pa kami ng Baguio. So, yan. Bababa na kami. So, ito yung harap. Ayan, o. Oh, di ba? Ganda. Yung mga villas nila hindi pa daw pwede kasi for the first year hindi pa pwede. Ganda dito, solid.
Good morning po.
Morning po. Morning, sir. Morning po. Tapos may walkway sila. Yung walkway nila sand. Oh. Para ramdam mo na sa dagat ka daw kunwari. Tapos meron silang gym. Diba? Gym that I will never use even if I stay here for a very long time.
Hi.
And that's their pool. Ito pala, meron silang ganito. Oh, diba? Meron silang sunken something. Di ko alam, ano tawag dito, web? Sunken something. And they have the pool. Right? That's their pool. See? A very beautiful pool. And then they have 3 villas. 1, 2, and then 3. Yeah. Pero, hindi pa yan open to the public. And that's the building that we're staying on. Then this restaurant here is Amare La Cocina. You have another sunken something here, which is very nice. What's available?
Here.
The menu? Yeah. So they have breakfast. So syempre I will have the tapa. And po si Ma'am Kim. Good morning po, si Miss Kim. Siya po yung may-ari ng resort.
Ay, hindi po.
Ay, di ba?
Stop lang po
Tsaka lang po. They have a very beautiful pool. Look at it. Infinity pool. It's a very beautiful infinity pool. Ang dagat oh. Hindi naman napakaganda. That's the beach. So, ang magsaserve ng breakfast sa'yo is si Amare La Cocina. Amare by the beach pala. So, ang breakfast mo, meron kang premium beef tapa. Padaing na bongs, Baguio longganisa.
You're so quick gising.
Yeah, good morning guys. Pasensya na kayo, kagising lang kasi namin. But, you know, we just wanna give you the full morning experience. Full morning experience. Ganda dito, babe. Ayan, so yan yung dagat, oh. Nandiyan mo, nagbe-breakfast ka dito. Makain ka ng daing na bangus. Di ba?
Thank you po.
Ganda po ng hotel ninyo. Ang hotel ko nila.
Si Sir talaga.
Humble sa hotel.
I got coffee for you na din.
Oh yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Yan, meron kaming coffee. Kape muna kami guys. So alam niyo, every time na nagsistay kami sa ganito, naisip namin, gusto rin namin ng ganito. Kaya pag meron kayong chance to travel, you know, go to the beach, go to a resort, you know, it's gonna inspire you. It's either gonna inspire you or gonna make you sad pag mag-check out ka na. But most definitely it's gonna inspire you. It's gonna give you that sense of you. I want this. Anything is possible. Gano'n. Sarap. Ito lang, nakatungan ka lang sa dagat. Laki iniisip. So yan, breakfast is served. I got the tapa. She got the daing na bangus. Yan. Sarap tol. Tapos nasa dagat ka. Oh. Dito mo yung dagat. Tapos nagbe-breakfast kang ganyan. The best. Delicious. So Baby, what can you say about the resort? Rate it 1 to 10.
9 for now.
9 for now.
No,
Siguro.
just because the internet still has to be improved.
Yeah.
But it's on soft opening, so understandable.
9 daw. Baka next time pag bumalik kami,
10 na siya. No, kasi we work from home, so essential natin.
Yung internet,
Internet.
diba? Kailangan natin yung internet. Tama. Ako, I will rate it 10 out of 10 kasi ayaw ko mag-work. So, nagamit yung Nespresso. This video is not sponsored by Nespresso.
Hi, oh my God, my hair is so magulo. I am
So, pa-check out na kami. Back to reality ulit. Trabaho tayo ulit. Mga ganito talaga. Maisip mo talaga lahat posible, no? Napakaganda. Ganda, oh. Till next time, kailangan mo natin ulit magtrabaho para meron tayong
check-in ulit.
para meron tayong pang check-in ulit. So, see you tomorrow, guys. Peace. It's been a fun day. It's been a relaxing day after. Yeah, it's been a very, very productive. No, it's been a very relaxing weekend and trabaho ulit tayo. See you again tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye. If you want more content like this, like daily vlogs, ganyan, please subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Peace. God bless, guys.